Welcome to a unique and vibrant exploration of recycled wooden artistry, where creativity meets sustainability. In an age where environmental consciousness is paramount, the beauty and charm of repurposed would have come to the forefront of home decor. This journey into crafting with reclaimed wood not only allows artisans to express their individuality but also aligns with a broader commitment to preserving our planet. By transforming what would otherwise be waste into beautiful, functional decor pieces, we can create items that add warmth and character to homes while making a positive impact on the environment. Each recycled wood project serves as a testament to creativity, innovation, and the art of giving new life to forgotten materials, making every piece a conversation starter. As you explore into this realm, you'll discover a diverse array of wooden products that capture the imagination and promote sustainable living. From customizable decor items to charming accessories, each creation reflects the rich history of the wood and the artisan's personal touch. The versatility of recycled wood allows for endless designs and applications, catering to various tastes and styles. Within this artistic community, every crafted piece holds the promise of uniqueness and sustainability, appealing to discerning consumers who value quality artisanship over mass-produced items. Join us on this exciting journey of creativity and sustainability. Thank you for joining us on this creative journey through the world of recycled wooden artistry. We hope you found inspiration in the unique projects and sustainable practices showcased in this video. If you enjoyed the content and would like to see more innovative wooden crafts, be sure to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share this video with friends and fellow craft enthusiasts. Your support not only helps us grow but also promotes the appreciation of eco-friendly artistry. Stay tuned for more exciting projects ahead, and let's continue to explore the beauty of repurposed wood together. In today's world, where environmental consciousness is paramount, recycled and repurposed wooden products are gaining momentum. These items not only resonate with eco-friendly values but also showcase the artisan's creativity and craftsmanship. Many wooden home decor pieces offer a unique charm that can enhance any living space, making them ideal for quick selling in craft markets. The combination of sustainability and artistry provides a compelling narrative that attracts customers seeking both beauty and responsibility in their purchases. Reclaimed wood comes with its own history, making each piece distinct and full of character. Rather than utilizing new timber, artisans can give a second life to what would otherwise be waste, resulting in products that prioritize environmental well-being. The textures, colors, and imperfections found in recycled wood add an aesthetic quality that mass-produced items often lack. This appeal to authenticity makes such items attractive to buyers eager to invest in decor that carries a story. Additionally, crafting from reclaimed wood translates to a reduced carbon footprint and a commitment to sustainability. Wooden signs are a versatile and popular choice for artisans. They can be utilized in various ways, from welcoming messages at the front door to stylish decor in kitchens or living areas. The unique ability to customize these signs adds an extra layer of appeal, allowing sellers to cater to diverse tastes and preferences. Artisans can experiment with different fonts, colors, and symbols, ensuring each sign feels personalized and special. The market for wooden signs remains strong, especially among consumers looking for distinctive pieces that enhance their home environments. Accessories made from wood serve multiple purposes in home decor, blending utility with style. Items like coasters, key rings, or small storage solutions crafted from recycled materials find wide acceptance among consumers. These practical items not only serve their intended functions but also add aesthetic value to spaces. Artisans can explore a range of designs, playing with shapes and finishes that showcase the wood's natural beauty. By designing functional wooden accessories, artisans create pieces that customers are excited to use, thereby improving the selling potential at craft markets. General wooden decor items, rather than fixed products, allow for boundless creativity. Artisans can create abstract shapes, sculptures, or decorative accents that intrigue buyers. These charming pieces often function as conversation starters, enhancing social spaces in homes or offices. The capability to work with various wood types and finishes provides artisans with numerous options for design, ensuring that no two pieces are identical. Crafting charming wooden decor aligns with a broader trend in home styling toward unique, artisanal pieces that reflect individuality. Wooden gifts present an attractive option for crafters looking to create market-ready items. The trend towards thoughtful, sustainable gifting has increased demand for handcrafted wooden items. Crafting beautiful small gifts, such as ornaments, small figurines, or even miniatures, from reclaimed wood can attract buyers looking for meaningful, unique presents. By focusing on the personal touch that comes with handcrafted items, sellers can carve out a niche among eco-conscious consumers who value sustainability in gifting. Offerings like display stands or holders made from recycled wood can serve diverse purposes. From showcasing art to serving as functional storage solutions, these items highlight the versatility of wood in home decor. Artisans can design displays that complement photo frames or serve as stands for various items, ensuring their practical appeal. One of the hallmarks of such creations is the balance between function and aesthetics. They must serve a purpose while being visually captivating. As the demand for sustainable and unique home decor rises, the future looks bright for artisans who specialize in recycled and repurposed wooden products. By tapping into eco-friendly practices and emphasizing artistry, crafters can create products that resonate deeply with consumers. The potential for growth in this sector is significant as buyers increasingly seek items that reflect their values of individuality and sustainability. Thank you for watching our video. We truly appreciate your time and interest in the world of recycled wooden artistry. Your support means the world to us, as it not only encourages our creative journey but also helps spread awareness about the importance of sustainability and eco-friendly crafting. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring projects and tips to enhance your DIY experience. A simple like and share with your friends can make a huge difference, helping us reach more craft enthusiasts and foster a community that values unique, handcrafted creations. We look forward to bringing you more exciting content, so stay tuned for our next video, and let's continue exploring the endless possibilities of repurposed wood together.